driven.co. Man, how cool is this? 1977 GMC Kingsley. This is GMC's factory built 26-foot motorhome, and it's in amazing original condition. Yes, that's original paint. Original paint. It's beautiful. This coach only shows 45,000 miles on the odometer, and it looks it. You look at the paint, you look at the minimal wear on the velour upholstery, original carpet. It's amazing to find a GMC motorhome in this incredible condition. And it's got all kinds of accessories. It's got the roof rack, the ladder option, not one but 2 AC units on the roof. It's got overhead powered vents. It's got uber cool train horn on the roof, and it is loud, trust me. And that antenna that you see over there, that's an actual operating electric antenna that operates with the stereo system. And this coach has a vintage satellite system in it with external speakers. It's just set up so cool. And this is the very neat 26-1 floor plan, which has a full-time bed in the back. Nice, big, comfortable, simple. It's just a fantastic way to travel, enjoy family, enjoy friends, get away from COVID, and enjoy what the world has to offer. This coach also sports brand new tires, and it's just in wonderful condition. It's not perfect. It's 45 doggone years old. Front wheel drive, air suspension, so it rides wonderful. A good center of gravity, and makes it so that it handles better, and that also if somebody's passing or you're passing someone on the highway, there's a lot less wind buffeting. So it's safety, comfort, and vintage RVing at its pinnacle, at its best. So let's take a look inside. Opening up, and it's sheer 70s vintage everywhere you look. Screaming 70s. So you've got your full-time bed here in the back with a great picture window. How'd you like to wake up, look out at the beach, look out at the forest, look at nature? First thing you see in the morning. Of course, it's got a restroom, your typical GMC wet bath shower setup. It's got closets. It's got different cabinets and drawers. Of course, it's got a Magic Chef range with stainless steel top, vintage countertop and sink. There's a brand new faucet going in. It does have a microwave in it. It's got the Palm Beach style louvered cabinets, which are just lovely and vintage. It's got a brand new headliner, which is always an issue on these coaches. Pioneer TSX30 high frequency speakers. Those are some pretty cool units because it was used along with this Anderson satellite unit. It was equipped with an early satellite. Of course, you got your monitoring system, lights, central vacuum system. It's got a Serval or Dometic fridge, but that will need a pilot. You will need a pilot for that. The bunk bed set up here in the front with the orange velour, and this dinette also converts over to a bed. So you've got the one in the rear, you've got bunks, and you've got these over here where the table converts as well. The stock original front bucket seats, those swivel, they turn around so you can converse with your passengers. So co-pilot is nice and roomy over here, and the driver's seat is just wonderful over here with different controls, 2 gas tanks, your stereo, a leather wrapped steering wheel, an assortment of gauges, compass, and a lot more going for it. So if you look back at the coach, this is the look that you would see. All vintage, all wonderful condition. It's even got the original orange carpeting that the coach came with. So the condition here is exemplary considering age. It's no spring chicken, and make no mistake about it, there is wear on the vehicle as you'd expect, but there's the mileage, and it is very, very low for a coach like this, and it shows. So if you've got some more questions, want to take a close look at the vehicle, something else we haven't answered for you, please give us a holler over at driven.co. We're in Southern California, 949-234-6353. And we'd love to show you this cool GMC coach. And maybe you will be lucky enough to have this view from the driver's seat. Check out the wonderful world of our vintage RVing. And welcome to Ride Along with Willie Bob. What's it like to go cruising in a GMC Kingsley with an insane driver behind the wheel? About to check that out. So as we cruise and start up, the view out the back is always great. I've always loved this. It's just a huge picture window, and it makes backing up real simple. In most coaches, you don't have much of anything, if not anything, in the back. And here you've got a large picture window. This makes backing up a breeze. Little computer TV stand, some speakers back here. and your own air conditioning unit.